Welcome to the Tax Administration Guide for the Fairfax County's online business, professional, and occupational license, or BPOL tax filing and payment. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of renewing your BPOL license. For guidance on how to register a new business for the Fairfax County BPOL, please view the resources on our website for first-time BPOL filers. To get started, review the disclaimer statement. Click I accept in order to proceed. To renew a Fairfax County business, professional, and occupational license, select Renew Business Application. Log in using your 9-digit business account number and federal employer identification number. Review the Tips section if you have difficulty logging in. Once logged in, you'll see the online business, professional, and occupational filing details screen for your account. After a successful filing and payment, you will be able to return to this screen to obtain a PDF copy of your license. On the left, you can see your current account information and the option to change your trade name and mailing address. On the right, you can see your business classification information and the option to file for the current year. Click on File for 2025 or the respective tax year to begin the filing process. You will be brought to the BPOL application screen for the applicable year. Please indicate yes if you are still in business or no if you are no longer in business. If you are no longer in business, additional documentation is required. If you are still in business, continue to the next section. Under the section, enter gross receipts. For the respective prior year, please follow the form instructions. For businesses that have been in Fairfax County for at least 2 full years, you will need to provide the gross receipts for the prior year. Businesses that have been in Fairfax County for under 2 full years will also need to provide their current year estimated gross receipts. Select yes or no for exclusions. If you are claiming exclusions, please note that all exclusions are subject to audit and additional information may be required. The amount due field will auto-calculate. If filing after the renewal deadline, late penalties and interest may be applied to the total amount due. When finished, click Continue. You will be brought to the Other Information screen for the BPOL application. In the Enter Other Tax Details section, use the drop-down to choose your filing basis, either situs or apportionment. Please consult your tax preparer if you are unsure of your filing basis. Some business classifications are required to provide additional information in this section. Next, if your business operates from leased premises in Fairfax County, provide the property owner's name, annual rent, and the owner address. Next, provide the business contact person's name and phone number. Then, enter the address where the tax records for the business are maintained. Click Continue to proceed. Prior to submitting your application, please verify that the information displayed is accurate. Click the blue Edit buttons to make changes. At the bottom, complete the declaration by reviewing and checking the box. Then, enter the name, phone number, and email of the person filing the application. Required fields are indicated with a red asterisk. When ready, click Submit. Scroll to the Payment section. Then, choose from the following options: Pay Now to submit your payment immediately. Schedule a future payment to choose a later date. Or Edit Existing Future Payment if you are changing an existing scheduled payment. Next, select your preferred payment method of either bank account or credit card from the drop-down menu. Please note, credit and debit card payments are processed by a third-party company which charges a non-refundable 2.35% service fee. No payment processing fee is charged for payments made directly from a bank account via electronic funds transfer. Click Yes, I agree to these terms to proceed. Review the transaction details at the top of the page. Next, scroll to the payment section. Here, the method is set to credit debit card. In the customer information section, complete all required fields. Enter your full name, company name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and a valid email address. Next, in the payment information section, complete all required fields. Enter your credit card number, expiration date, security code, and name on the card. Click the Next button to continue. Prior to submitting your payment, please verify that the information displayed is accurate. If anything is incorrect, click the blue Edit buttons to make changes. To submit, click Submit Payment. When complete, you will receive a printable receipt at the end of your successful payment transaction. You can obtain a PDF copy of your license by returning to the Filing Details screen and clicking Print License. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide to filing your renewal B-Poll application. For more information, visit the Fairfax County Tax Administration website or reach out to our office at the contact information displayed here.